Laundry?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, you gotta spread it around. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm so excited to be doing my first cleaning video for you guys. I've been wanting to do a clean with me video forever and today is the day. So if you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Becky. Welcome to my channel. I would love it if you would consider subscribing to our family here on YouTube. You guys, I promise you will not regret it. The first cleaning solution that I use is Coca-Cola. I use this basically for my toilet only. When cleaning the bathroom, this is the first thing I do. That way the Coca-Cola can do its magic. Typically I let it sit for 2 to 3 hours. If you can let it sit overnight, even better. But I know for most of you that's not really an option. So the cleaning solutions that I'll be using on this video are Coca-Cola, vinegar and water, and Miss Meyer's lemon scented all-purpose cleaner. So I try and remember to do a breast exam on myself. I actually got this from my OBGYN, which it was already laminated, which was really nice. I put this in my shower to remind myself because, as most of you moms out there, we forget everything. At least that's my story. So this is just my way of reminding myself. I'll actually put a link in the description below that you guys can go to and print it out and get it laminated and put it in your own shower, just as a friendly reminder for yourself. Please feel free at any time during this video to leave a comment below with some of your more natural cleaning solutions that you use in your home today. Alright, so I do have a love and hate relationship with my scale. Obviously, I love it when I lose weight and I absolutely hate it when I don't. I'm really contemplating on just getting rid of it. Alright, so the second cleaning solution I use, which you see here in the spray bottle, is vinegar and water. I have been using this for about 5 years now and I swear by this stuff, you guys. For one, it's cheap. And who doesn't like a lower cost cleaning product that is actually very effective? Plus, honestly, I don't ever have to worry about leaving it basically on the floor or on the counter and worry about my kids getting into it and harming them, which honestly is by far the main reason why I've been using it. I'm able to use the vinegar and water on most of my surfaces. Trust me, I did not like the smell when I first started using it, but after a while I kind of got used to it and I actually like it now. You can actually add some essential oils if you guys would like to help with the smell. As you can see, I use gloves on pretty much everything. For whatever reason, after I had Rakel, I noticed that when I use Dawn dish soap, especially Dawn dish soap, my hands get really red and swollen and they get very itchy, which is really annoying. But I found that Dawn dish soap honestly works the best for cutting the grease. So sometimes I'll wear gloves, whether it's dish soap gloves that actually come up halfway up my arm, or I'll just use the blue ones that I use for everything else. Do any of you have any recommendations out there of any soaps that will work as good as Dawn dish soap, but aren't as, I guess, harsh on your skin? Please leave it in the comments below. I'd really appreciate it. So I had to film this cleaning video during the day and then later on at night because I had to run some errands in between. So I decided to stop by Target and pick up some of the Miss Meyer's cleaning products just because so many mothers out there are raving about Miss Meyer's cleaning products, so I decided to test it out for myself. They definitely smell better than vinegar, but honestly, you guys, I will never stop using my vinegar and water for my bathroom, my kitchen, and my kitchen countertops. That's just my preference. To each their own. This works so well on mirrors, you guys. Number one mirror cleaner is vinegar and water. I'm telling you, try it. Obviously, I use it in my bathroom and the kitchen. The best part is I can clean the countertop in my kitchen with vinegar and water and eat off of it right away without having to worry about like chemicals that will actually harm me or my family. Alright, as you guys can see, we actually replaced the rod. It used to be white, and the actual rings that go around the rod to hold the curtain up, we're, I guess, rubbing against it and scratching the paint off of it, which caused it to rust. So I just decided to get a stainless steel curtain rod, which honestly makes it look so much better. So we decided to replace the shower rod. It was definitely time to get a new one. And obviously the inner part of the shower curtain, we decided to get a new one of that as well. It did kind of make it a little bit darker in the shower just because it's not like a white or clear. It's actually like a solid, like light gray, but that works. Alright, so you guys, I actually have my husband grab the vacuum because I'm having a hard time. Every time I turn around, I have so much hair that I shed because I have very long hair and I shed hair horribly. So he's actually grabbing the vacuum for me so I can just vacuum up the hair. It makes it a lot easier as far as wiping down the floor. And I do have a kneeling pad that I also use to wipe down floors because I don't like the residue that most of the mops that I've ever used leave behind. So I just literally get down on my hands and knees, grab a bucket and a rag, and I just clean the floor that way. So I typically wash my sheets at least once a week and then my bedspread once a month. And then obviously I try to make my bed every morning before I go to work. It doesn't always happen. It depends on if I wake up later or if wake up at normal time. But I love crawling into a nice clean made bed. Alright, so here in the video, as I'm watching this and editing it, I notice that Rakel looks like she's actually folding clothes, which she's really not. She's actually making more of a mess, but that's okay. She's my little helper. She loves to clean. Rakel is definitely not camera shy whatsoever. If I bring out my phone or the video camera, she is right there in front and center and wants to be on the video, which I find so cute. As you guys can see, I don't know if you've noticed, but I literally hang everything but obviously pants, underwear, and socks. For all of us, I literally hang all the shirts, dresses, and stuff get hung I just find it easier and I feel like it keeps me organized better. I'm not sure exactly what Rakel is doing, but she is having a blast. Alright, so if you can see, there's a purple blanket that I actually laid down into Rakel's crib after I put the fitted sheet on. This blanket I actually got from the reveal party from one of my best friends at work. I'm telling you guys, I think this is from the Pottery barn, if I can remember. I will link a description and below here, you guys, where you guys can find what store you guys can find the blankets at. But the blanket doesn't allow anything to leak through the other side, which is amazing, especially because right now, for the past about month or so, Rakel has been sleeping with just underwear on and not a pull-up at night, where I'm trying to get her potty trained fully. She is potty trained, but at nighttime and usually nap time, we would put a pull-up on her. But for the last month, she has not had a pull-up on. She's been wearing underwear to bed and being a big girl. I'm so proud of her. But yeah, she's had maybe like 2 accidents, and this blanket prevented it from leaking through onto her bed sheet and everything else. So it worked really nice. All right, as you can see, the girls are right here helping their mama. I feel that it's very important to teach your kids independence, and that's why I don't mind them helping me out. All right, so moving on to the kitchen. All right, I'm using the Dyson vacuum, this little handheld vacuum. Very nice. It's my mom's and I absolutely love it so far. Just something that it's nice to just pick it up and vacuum little spots here and there. So I'm wiping off the top of the cabinets. You'd be amazed at how dusty it gets up there. And I'm also wiping down the cabinets themselves. And this is where I'm using the Miss Meyer's lemon all-purpose cleaner, which it actually worked out pretty nice. It made the cabinets definitely smell amazing. But honestly, you guys, I still will probably use my vinegar and water every once in a while. I did try the lavender scent as well, and that smells so amazing. It smells better than the lemon, which is kind of odd because I love lemon everything. And typically lavender, it's okay, but it hasn't been one of my favorites. And with the Miss Meyer's lavender scent, it smells so pretty. It smells just like a flower. So as you can see, Rakel is trying to wipe down the dishwasher with me, so I'm kind of like leaning into her and playing with her, and then she starts twirling around. She's so cute. I also wipe down the stove. The girls always sit right here on stools, and they spill almond milk and they spill food, and it just got everywhere, so I decided to clean it. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video today. I really do appreciate it. If you did like it, please give it a big thumbs up because it really does help support our channel. Alright, you guys, as always, thank you so much for stopping by, taking this time out of your busy day and your busy schedule to come watch our video. Alright, you guys, have a great night, and we'll see you on our next video. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.